Hi, my name's Elise. I live in Chilliwack, British Columbia. This gardening course has allowed me to be more confident in growing year-round, all 4 seasons. You know, I thought that before taking this course, you put your garden to bed in the fall, that was it, and then come spring you start planting again. But there is so much that you can be growing and harvesting through the fall and the winter and then beginning of spring. I had no idea about, soil health or soil food web or what our plants really need to grow. They don't need all those, organic fertilizers or pesticides, or they need worm poop. They need dead and decaying plant material. You will learn so much. If you're just starting out, if you only have a balcony to grow on, that's perfect. If you have space in your backyard that you can either put raised beds, which is what we have done, or if you can grow in ground, perfect. They'll teach you about that. If you're a market gardener and you're not seeing the results that you think you could be getting, perfect. This is for you as well. This is a course for anyone who wants to take their growing to the next level. Doesn't matter what size you have. The knowledge applies to, like I said, growing in small containers on a balcony to growing an acre, quarter acre market garden. You won't be disappointed. If this isn't for you, but you know someone that is interested in possibly having this in their backyard, being more self-sufficient, being more being responsible for knowing where your food comes from, and if that's from your backyard, that is perfect. If you don't have access to local farmers, grow your own. Being able to go outside and grabbing celery for that chicken noodle soup that you want to make, nothing better than that. Just buy it. Sign up. You won't regret it. I'm taking the course again because it was that good. The community is like none other. Dan and Andrew and Jack are amazing humans. What they will be teaching you is, you won't regret it. If you do, you can get mad at me. But sign up. We want to see you in there.